Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Simple Build in Fortnite. We'll cover the fundamental techniques to get you building effectively in no time. Simple building focuses on quick, essential structures for defense and mobility. You'll learn to deploy walls, floors, ramps, and cones with ease. Mastering these basics is crucial for survival and gaining an advantage in any match. Let's dive into the controls and practical applications right away. To build effectively, first understand your controls. On PC, the default keys for building are typically F1 through F4 for walls, floors, ramps, and cones, respectively. Console players use specific button combinations. Experiment with custom keybinds to find what feels most natural for you. Quick access to each piece is vital for rapid deployment in combat situations. Practice switching between them smoothly. Simple building is all about practical application. Walls are your first line of defense, blocking bullets and providing cover. Ramps are excellent for pushing opponents or reaching higher ground quickly. Floors can cap off structures or provide a base. A common tactic is the 1x1. Where you build 4 walls and a ramp inside for quick protection and a height advantage. Practice these combinations to react swiftly. Consistent practice is key to mastering simple building. Spend time in creative mode, focusing on quickly placing and editing structures. Try building a 1x1 in under 3 seconds. Basic edits, like creating a window in a wall or a door in a floor, can offer tactical advantages. Remember, even simple builds can turn the tide of a fight. Keep practicing, and your building skills will become second nature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.